Have you run into the problem of not knowing what to do with your dome cover of your underwater camera housing while you're actually underwater using the housing? Stick around, and in today's Back to Basics episode, I'll share with you some tips and tricks on where I secure that notorious dome cover. Hi and welcome back to the Underwater Filmmaking School and today's Back to Basic episode. Now today is going to be a fairly short one, but a quite important one in my opinion. For quite a long time I wasn't really sure what to do with the dome cover of my underwater camera housing when I was actually using the housing and filming underwater. Obviously, yes, some of you will say that you can keep the cover on the boat or on land and not even take it with you underwater, and that's certainly an option, but for me, I just never really felt comfortable risking getting a scratch on my precious and expensive dome port while getting into the water or actually back onto the boat after the dive. So I preferred having the dome cover with me as I'm getting in and getting out of the water. But what am I doing with it once I'm in the water and I've taken it off? Because obviously now, having that dome cover off, I need to be able to put it somewhere. Well, there's a couple of different options. One of them that I've been using for quite a while is to use a bolt snap, just like this one here, and you can snap one side to your dome cover and then snap the other side, attach that to the harness or to one of the D-rings of your BCD. That's an easy way, works quite well. A problem can be if you're wearing thick gloves like we do here in Switzerland, diving in the cold lakes. This can be a little challenging, trying to actually snap that on with thick gloves, not always the easiest way to do. So I've discovered other option how you can secure your dome cover very easily and simply by actually putting it around your arm. Obviously your dome cover has those two openings, or most of them will have them. So you can just put it around your arm like this, around your elbow even, and that works whether you're wearing a wetsuit, a larger dry suit, dry gloves. It works quite well. If your dome cover is slightly smaller and you cannot fit it around your arm, you can also just put your hand through it, your thumb like this, and you can hold your housing just like that. And you got it here very securely at the side of your hand. And after the dive, you can take it off and put it back onto your dome of the underwater housing. And there you go. Two very easy and simple ways of how you can secure your dome cover while being underwater and if you don't want to leave it on the boat or on land. Have you got any other ideas and tips on how to do that, how to secure your dome cover? Please put it down in the comment section below and let the community know about it so they can benefit from your experience as well. Thank you very much for watching. This was it already for today's video. Please do not forget to check out the other Back to Basics episodes. They will be linked up here in the card section as a playlist. If this video was useful to you, if you've got something out of it, please do hit that like button and also consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't yet, so you're not missing out on any other tips and tricks about underwater filmmaking that will be published here on the channel in the future. Thanks again for your time, and I will see you in the next one.